Do you have this problem with your wipers? So, as you can see, right there, it's hitting. Try to put some tape on there just to try and reduce the damage, and it's also hitting down here. There's basically way too much throw on the wiper linkage. It's coming all the way down into there, which you don't want it to do. So what you've got is basically that's a lot of movement in that linkage. And the only way you can get around it is by completely changing the linkage out. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you how to get around this little problem. First thing you want to do is take your wiper arms off altogether. Now this should be alright because I've already had this off once, so it should already be nice and free. It should be. Famous last words. That lets you access the motor. So unplug it, obviously. Unplug it, and then you're looking at two. Well, that kind of sucks. I put my ratchet down somewhere and can't find it. No. Yes. So there, what you need there. Get the focus on it. Yeah, and it's a E8. I don't know if it can focus on that enough. It's an E8 anyway. As I say, I've already had this off once before, so I kind of, first of all, know how to take it off. Second of all, it's quite quick to take it off. Basically, the black and white of it is, see if we can get you in here. There's a bolt there, and a bolt there, and that's it. Should be ready to take it out. Does come out with a little bit of wingling and wangling. Yeah, that's the play in them. So what we'll do is we'll just swap that out for the new one. Now go the new linkage, drop that in. So there is there's a 2 cents. So there's a little tiny hole in the bulkhead at the back that just slots into. It just stops the whole mechanism from rocking like that. So that's it in. Hide the bolts back. Sorry, I realise this is probably quite a good picture of the back of my head. Oh, I tell you what, we'll move you over here. How does that look? I'll give you a bit of a better view. Now I believe on cars that haven't been pulled apart a million times, there'll be clips along here to hold these in, but this is obviously, this one's had a one of them lives, so we'll just pop all this back together again. Right, so all going to plan, that should give an acceptable wipe. Unless it goes really wrong and I take it off the car. That was a possibility. I'll take that as a win. I'll adjust this. What I'll do is I'll just adjust this side a tiny little notch chuff, because I think I can possibly get a little bit more on that. You know, the wiper, if I knock it up one notch, but I think other than that both wipers are absolutely bang on. So there we are, nice and simple. How to change the Corsa D wiper mechanism.